Hi friends, in this video, I'll be showing you how to add dynamic zoom to a clip in DaVinci Resolve. So I've got a short clip of drone footage here, and it's really easy. All you have to do is click on the dynamic zoom button in the transform menu. This shows you two boxes, a green one and a red one. The green one is your starting box, and the red one is your ending box. So we choose where we want to start with the zoom. Let's say we want to zoom in, we want to start really zoomed in the hiker, and we want to end with a wide angle shot. There we go. That looks pretty good. We can even change the speed curve of how it zooms in and out here in the inspector tab in the dynamic zoom portion. Right now, it's set to linear. Let's see how it looks if we ease into it. There we go. In my opinion, that looks a lot more natural and a lot smoother than the usual linear speed curve. So that's how to add a dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve.